Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my August 2023 TPT income report. So I'm just going to jump into this because I know everybody wants to know how much I made in August compared to the amount of products I had. So just as a refresher, I went through a whole spree of deleting products that were not selling. So I can't remember. I think I deleted around 8 or 10 products. So I am officially at 69 products at the end of August, and I made $46.26. Now, compared to last year, it was about the same amount. As you can see, here are my earnings. And the blue is this year, and the green is last year. So I made a couple cents less than I made last year. But I was kind of expecting that because I had seen other people's income reports and they're saying that they're just kind of staying even with what they did last year. So I'm pretty happy that I made just about the same amount that I did last year. You can see on certain days this year compared to last year in the blue that, I did really good. I stayed the same or I exceeded on some days, and some days I didn't. So overall, I'm really happy with my earnings so far. And I am continuing making products, and I will be glad to get over the 69 products. So I feel like that's kind of a good milestone. 70, I can't wait till I get to 100. But I think that there might be a correlation between the number of products you have and the income you make. I kind of want to make a whole video documenting, at 10 products, whatever, so many products, this is what I had. So I might go back and look at my stats and try to figure that out at some point. If you think that's interesting, let me know. Also, I wanted to let you know, I don't know if I'm sure you probably know this, but it'll show you your last payout date and then the estimated next payout date. So if you're ever wondering when you're going to get paid, if you scroll down below your earnings on your dashboard, you will see this payout section, and then it gives you all the information. Now, I know that it says that my next payout is October 21st. It always seems like I get paid around the 11th or to kind of the 15th. It always seems like it's the first of the month. So that is my income report for August 2023. If you feel comfortable, leave the number of products that you have in your store and how much you made. Or if you have a video, link it below, because I'm all about getting information about people's income and the amount of products. I feel like it's a good inspiration to kind of strive towards. And this honestly gives a realistic view of how much you could make with this many products, I think. But if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and I will see you next week.